Hello everybody, welcome to the Tools Guy. In the world of welding, precision and efficiency are paramount. Whether you are a seasoned welder or a DIY enthusiast, you understand the significance of having the right tools at your disposal. Among the essential tools that every welder should possess is the angle grinder, a versatile and indispensable companion in any welding workshop. An angle grinder, also known as a side grinder or disc grinder, is a handheld power tool that uses abrasive discs to perform various tasks, including grinding, cutting, polishing, and blending metals. 5 Hitachi G12SR4 6.4 amp. The Hitachi G12SR4 6.4 amp 4.5-inch angle grinder is a highly recommended tool for various DIY tasks around the house, particularly in grinding, sanding, and polishing materials. Its top features include a powerful 6.2 amp motor, a compact and lightweight design, easy grip for reduced fatigue, and multi-purpose functionality for different applications. The angle grinder's cooling efficiency ensures it doesn't overheat even during extended use, making it a durable and reliable choice. The spindle lock allows for easy accessory changes, and the detachable guard ensures safety during operation. Additionally, 4 PorterCable hand planer. This article discusses the different types of planers used in woodworking and provides in-depth reviews of 3 PorterCable planers. It explains the distinction between manual hand planers, power hand planers, benchtop planers, and stationary planers, outlining their specific uses and applications. The reviews focus on the PorterCable PC60 THP 6 amp hand planer, which is praised for its budget-friendly price and versatility, and the PorterCable PC305 TP double-edged quick change benchtop planer, known for its powerful motor and efficiency in removing tough woods. The article highlights the features, pros, and cons of each planer, catering to both beginners and professionals in woodworking. 3 Bosch 4.5-inch angle. The Bosch GWS945 4.5-inch small angle grinder is a powerful and efficient tool designed for abrasive cutting and grinding tasks. It features an 8.5 amp motor with a speed of up to 1,100 revolutions per minute and a direct motor cooling system, making it capable of handling tough jobs without overheating. The grinder comes with a dust filtration system and a toolless adjustable guard for added safety. It also includes a 2-position side handle for better control and maneuverability. The carbon brushes and service minder feature contribute to its longer shelf life and maintenance pause capability. 2 Metabo, 5 inches variable speed. The Metabo WEF 10 to 125 Quickie Knox 4.5/5 flathead grinder 10.0 amp with variable speed is a dynamic and versatile grinding tool that offers various features to ease the user's work. It operates at varying speeds, ranging from 2,000 RPM to 7,600 RPM, providing efficient performance even at narrow angles. The grinder's flat head can reach up to 43 degrees, allowing easy access to tight spaces. The tool's structure is durable and sturdy, with features like protective covering, aluminum die-cast gearbox, electronic overload protection. 1 Metabo HPT 18 volts multi-volt cordless. The Metabo HPT 18 volts multi-volt 10,000 lumen LED work light is a powerful and versatile work light suitable for various job sites and conditions. It produces an impressive output of 10,000 lumens using 216 LED chips, making it one of the brightest cordless work lights available. The light features 15 settings, allowing the user to adjust the brightness as needed, ranging from 1,000 lumens to the maximum output. The runtime of the work light depends on the battery used, with the 18 volts 3.0 Ah providing around 36 minutes of use at the highest brightness level and the multi-volt 8.0 Ah offering up to 1 hour and 48 minutes. In conclusion, the best angle grinder for welding is the Hitachi G12SR4. This powerful and versatile angle grinder offers a range of features that make it a top choice for welders and DIY enthusiasts alike. With its 6.2 amp motor and 4.5-inch wheel, the Hitachi G12SR4 delivers the power and precision needed to tackle tough materials and welds. The compact and lightweight design allows for easy maneuverability, even in tight spaces, making it a convenient tool for various welding projects. The angle grinder's easy grip and small grip diameter ensure comfortable and fatigue-free operation, even during extended use.